Meaning of fortune cookie.
Fortune cookie.
Fortune cookie.
Fortune cookie.
Fortune cookie. A fortune cookie is a type of cookie that is often served in Chinese restaurants. It is made from a simple flour and sugar dough, and is often flavored with vanilla or almond extract. Inside the cookie, there is a strip of paper that contains a message of good luck or a short phrase or prediction. The message can be inspirational, humorous, or even cryptic. The tradition of fortune cookies is believed to have originated in California, and they have since become a popular treat around the world.